So today we will be learning on calculating the area of the sector. All right. So a very quick introduction first before I go towards the formula and the examples. A sector is basically, for example, if I have a circle, a sector, it is part of the circle. So this whole thing is what we call as the sector. So this is what I'm going to find now, the area of this sector. So a lot of times you will see either the question will draw it like this, or at times the question can just draw it like this. All right, maybe they will give you an angle. Let's say this is 120 degrees. They'll give you the radius. And then the question says, okay, find the area of this. This is part of the sector of the circle. Because if this circle, if let's say I were to continue it, it'll become like this. All right. So at times, the question will just show you the part of the sector, or the question can show you a whole circle with a sector shaded on it. Okay. So remember, this is how we get the sector. So the formula for the sector would be theta, which is the angle at the center here, divided by 360. Why divided by 360? Because the angle at a point is 360 degrees, times by pi r squared. Since we are finding on the area, so this we have times with the area of the circle. Okay, so this is the formula. Now let's get into some examples. So the first example would be this. I would like to find the area of the shaded part. How will I do so? I know area equals to theta over 360 degrees times pi r squared. So theta here I know is 80 degrees over 360 degrees times pi, and the radius I'm going to square it. So once I do this in the calculator, I will just take 80 times pi times 36 square, get the answer, and I'm going to divide it by 36. I would get 25.13 cm square. So this is my area of the sector. All right, a very easy one. Now for the second part, let's see. So for the second part, I want to find the area of this shaded. Let me just erase this real quick. Okay, so I'll find the area of this shaded one. But as I can see, to find the area of the shaded one, I have area equals to theta over 360 times pi r squared. But the problem is that, yes, I have the radius for this. The radius is 8. All right. But what I do not have is the theta for the shaded part, the theta of the major sector. All I have here, in here, I have the theta of this minor sector. All right. But I want to find the major, the one that is shaded in turquoise here. So how will I go about that would be, I'll find the theta of the major sector. So first I need to find theta of major sector. So how will I do that? I will take 360 degrees minus theta of the smaller sector, which is 80 degrees. So 360 minus 80, I will get 280 degrees. So I already got the theta of my major sector. Now I can find my area. So area would be 280 divided by 360 times pi with the radius squared. So in here, I can just put 280 times pi times 8 square, and then get the answer, and I'm going to divide it by 360. I'll get 156.38 cm squared. This is my area of this one. All right. For question B, this is my area. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Now let's go to question C. I only have another 2 more questions, yeah? So for question C, they said, given that the area of the sector is 84. So in here, they already tell me that the area of the sector is 84, all right? Area of sector is 84. Now find the radius of the circle. So what they ask me to find is the radius. So the moment they tell me the area is 84, I will be wondering how did they get the value of 84? Since they said area of the sector is 84, they would have used this formula. Area of the sector equals to theta over 360 times pi r squared, isn't it? Correct? So here, the area which is 84 equals to theta, which they already give it to me here, 88 over 360 times pi r squared. So let me just do this first. What is 88 divided by 360? So that is 84 equals to 88 divided by 360 will be 0.244 times pi r squared. All right. I'm just rearranging. Basically, I'm trying to rearrange to make radius as the subject. So here I will take 84 divided by 0.244 equals to pi r squared. So 84 divided by 0.244, I will get 344.26 equals to pi r squared, which means r squared will be 344.26 divided by pi. So 344.26 divided by pi is basically, I would get here 109.58 equals to r squared. So how do I just find r? I will square root. What destroys a square is a square root. So I'll square root it. So r would be the square root of this. Hence my radius is only 10.47 after rounding off. So this is my answer. All right, very easy. Since they tell me that they given me the area of the sector is 84, how did they get 84? They would use this formula. From here, I just substitute the values and I'm just solving it as I go, and I try to make the radius as my subject of my formula. I try to make the radius alone. Okay. Now the last example for question D, they said find the area of the sector in terms of pi. So this is the sector. They asked me to find the area of this whole thing, but in terms of pi, yeah, this whole thing in terms of pi. So if the question says in terms of pi, that means I'm not calculating the pi value inside. So I know the area equals to theta over the angle at the center, which usually I call it as theta, over 360 degrees times pi r squared. So here the theta is 78 over 360 times pi 8 squared. So what am I going to do is I'm just going to calculate 78 times 8 square first. 78 times 8 square, I will get the answer as 4992, and then it times by pi. So just 4992 pi over 360. Now I'm just going to take this divided by this, and I would get here as 13.87 pi. So this is the answer, the area of my sector in terms of pi. So in a nutshell, this is how we do the area of calculating the area of sector. So these are pretty basic questions. It will help you to clear all your doubts. Thank you.